That's something. The wife can see what you're up to.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. That's what she was on.
Really?
I'm going to start bringing cameras out next time, I think.
Yeah. All right. Now. I don't know how this is going to go. It is a little bit breezier than I like to see it for this. Yeah. Popped off rather aggressive. Yeah, it's blowing now. I got no gyros or nothing in this, no expo programmed in. Yeah, man, it won't be up there. I should have waited. It's loud. It must be blowing 15. We'll fly around. Yeah. This is a nice looking airplane in the air.
Yes, it is. So Lloyd flying yet?
No, but we did go to Kings Mountain yesterday and picked up a simulator for her.
Nice. What you gonna run on?
It's a real flight.
Yep, good. That's
and
good.
it's a real flight Evolution.
The 9 or the new one?
The new one, the Evolution.
Yeah. Got that because I'm helping somebody learn how to fly helicopters.
Right.
And to set it up in real flight, they got Evolution, so I had no choice. I had to fly Evolution.
Yeah, and the Evolution, you need this, what they call a dongle?
No.
For the interface?
No. It's
no?
like the radio in that comes with it.
That's just
You
it.
only need the dongle if you're using your...
That's just it. Probably $99 one. So we ordered it.
Good, yeah. Now that, I don't know how that's going to set up. I always tell them, get the one with the radio because it's simple to set up and you can make it exactly the same as the radio you use. Nice flyby. it's the size of what I'm flying. And she saw me bring my 450 out and play with that and hover it, and that's what she wants. I said, well, that's fine. I was going to sell the 450 anyway. I need a rock, that's what it was.
Yeah. I almost had it recently. That's the wind put it back up in the air.
Well, I think you hit that rock.
Yeah, I did hit a rock too.
Yeah. A lot of people think helicopters are easy. But
No, no, no.
they are not.
Oh, I might catch a low.
I still have AMA instructors patches for it.
Yeah, yeah.
My helicopter patch. See, back in the day, in the 80s, you had to earn those patches. Nice, nice touchdown, Amit.
Yeah, both of them were okay.
Yeah. I saw the first one, and then up in the air.
The greaser, that first attempt, that's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
A little gust of wind. I only got 12 seconds left, so.
Yeah, my sailplane has lights on it. The one I
Really?
put together, I bought it used. So where the motor goes, they filled it full of like lead, and
Oh, yeah.
and I can't put a motor in it unless I really do some major work on it. So I said, well, that's all right. I'll just use a winch. That's what they did. But it has lights and everything on it, flashing lights, and I can see at a distance that they're very, very bright and they flash. So you can kind of tell one side is bright and